Hello Mad Friends! So I'm Aaron ulit from Gold Aces Car by Manila Auto Display. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Ngayong araw, may mga bago tayong dating na crossover na siguradong swak na swak sa budget at lifestyle nyo. Ang crossover is love child ni SUV and sedan. Di siya ganun kasing laki ni SUV, di rin naman ganun kasing baba ni sedan. Perfect balance ni comfort and space. Kaya kung hanap mo yung sasakyan na pang araw-araw, pang long drive or road trip, baka ito nang para sa'yo. Una sa listahan natin itong 2016 Toyota RAV4 4x2 automatic transmission. As you can see, yung exterior niya, clean, classy, at may modern SUV vibes. May signature Toyota grille na may chrome details at naka 17-inch alloy wheel na talagang nagpapaganda sa kanya. This is for only 719,000 pesos, ending plate 9, available for cash, trade-in, and financing. Tara guys, check naman natin yung interior. Pagpasok nyo sa loob, ramdam nyo yung premium feel, modern yung dashboard kahit na 2016 model to. At kung mahilig ka mag-travel or may bitbit ka palagi, malaki ang cargo space niya, practical para sa solo travel at family use. Mileage pala nito guys is 48,000 kilometers lang. Tara guys, check naman natin yung other unit. Next naman natin itong 2019 Suzuki Vitara automatic transmission. Lakas ng appeal nitong unit with sporty vibe and two-tone color. Naka-LED headlights with DRL, chrome grille at 17-inch alloy wheel na nagbibigay ng premium feel. Price pala nito is 555,000 pesos, ending plate 2, available for cash, financing, and trade-in. Tara guys, check naman natin yung loob. Pagpasok mo sa loob, malinis and may modern layout. May combination siya ng leather and fabric seats, and then meron na rin siyang touchscreen monitor display. At guys, meron na rin siyang panoramic sunroof at may push start button na halos lahat ng hinahanap nyo ay nandito na. Mileage pala nito is 54,000 kilometers. So yun guys, next unit naman. Next naman natin, this is 2021 Mazda CX-3 Pro automatic transmission, compact crossover na may modern style, sporty vibe, at may solid performance. May bold signature Mazda grille, slim LED headlights, and naka 16-inch alloy wheel for the sporty look. Price pala nito is 685,000 pesos, ending plate 3, negotiable for cash, available for trade-in and financing. Tara guys, check naman natin yung interior. Pagpasok nyo sa loob, premium yung vibes, aesthetic yung design, naka-fabric 6 na classy ang feel. May analog digital instrument cluster at push start button na rin siya. Mileage pala nito is 9,000 kilometers only, sobrang baba. So yun guys, last kotse, puntahan naman natin. Last but not the least, this is 2024 Toyota Race G CVT automatic transmission, compact pero mas mataas ang ground clearance. May bold wide grille at LED headlamps with daytime running lights. May 16-inch alloy wheels at sharp character lines na nagpapadagdag sa kanyang modern look. Price pala nito is 788,000 pesos, ending plate 3, available for cash, financing, and trade-in. Tara guys, check naman natin yung interior niya. Sa loob, practical pero stylish. Meron siyang two-tone interior at leather style steering wheel with audio controls. Meron din tong 8-inch touchscreen monitor display. Also, kahit compact siya, meron siyang sapat na legroom at headroom sa harap at likod. Mileage lang nito guys is 7,000 kilometers, almost brand new. At ayan Mad Friends, yan yung quick look sa mga available nating crossover na tipid sa gas at swak sa budget nyo. If interested po kayo sa mga unit po namin, you can message us on our TikTok and Facebook account po, Gold Aces Car by Manila Auto Display, para matulungan po namin kayo sa request nyo. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe our YouTube channel para ma-update namin kayo sa mga available naming units dito sa aming showroom. So ano nang pang hinihintay nyo? Message nyo na kami para maiuwi nyo na yung dream car nyo. See you!